Have you heard of buy now, pay later? It's changing how we shop. BNPL is a new way to pay for things. It's an alternative to credit cards. With BNPL, you can buy what you need now. You pay for it later, often without interest. This is revolutionizing the way we think about shopping and managing our money. BNPL is especially popular with younger generations. They are used to instant gratification. They are also wary of traditional credit card debt. BNPL offers them flexibility and control, but as with any financial tool, understanding how it works is crucial. Be sure to use it responsibly. So what exactly is BNPL? In simple terms, it's a short-term financing option. It allows you to purchase goods and services immediately. You then repay the cost in installments. Unlike traditional credit cards, BNPL doesn't typically involve revolving credit. You are not stuck in a cycle of debt. Each BNPL purchase is treated as a separate loan. It has a defined repayment schedule. This makes budgeting easier. You know exactly how much you owe and when. BNPL providers make money by charging merchants a small fee for each transaction. Some providers also charge late fees if you miss a payment. The BNPL market is booming. Several companies are vying for your attention. Some of the most popular BNPL providers include Afterpay, Klarna, Affirm, and PayPal. Each company has its own unique features and fees. It's important to compare them before you choose one. Afterpay and Klarna are known for their interest-free installment plans. They cater to fashion and beauty retailers. Affirm offers longer-term financing options. This is good for larger purchases. PayPal, a well-established player in online payments, has also jumped on the BNPL bandwagon. It offers a pay-in-4 option at checkout. How does the BNPL process work? It's surprisingly simple. When you're ready to check out online, look for the BNPL option. You will typically need to create an account with the BNPL provider. This involves providing some basic personal and financial information. The approval process is usually quick and painless. You'll often receive an instant decision. Once approved, you make the first installment payment. The remaining payments are automatically deducted from your linked bank account or credit card. It's essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and potential damage to your credit score. Section 5. The allure of BNPL, benefits and beyond. BNPL is gaining traction for a reason. It offers several advantages over traditional credit cards. First and foremost, many BNPL providers offer interest-free installments. This makes budgeting easier. You know exactly how much you need to pay each month. Second, BNPL can help you manage your finances better. By breaking down large purchases into smaller payments, you can avoid racking up high-interest credit card debt. Third, the approval process for BNPL is generally much easier than for credit cards. This makes it a viable option for younger consumers or those with limited credit history. Section 6. Risks and responsibilities, navigating BNPL safely. While BNPL offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks. One of the biggest concerns is the temptation to overspend. Since BNPL makes it so easy to buy now and pay later, it can lead to impulsive purchases. Another risk is the potential for late fees. If you miss a payment, you could be charged a hefty fee. This can quickly add up and put a strain on your finances. Moreover, multiple BNPL purchases can be challenging to track. This can lead to missed payments and financial stress. Section 7. BNPL, a boon for businesses. BNPL is not just beneficial for consumers, it's also a game changer for retailers. By offering BNPL as a payment option, businesses can attract new customers. They can also increase sales. BNPL encourages customers to make larger purchases. They don't have to pay the full amount up front. Furthermore, BNPL can improve customer loyalty. Customers who have a positive experience with BNPL are more likely to return for future purchases. They are also more likely to recommend the retailer to others. In today's competitive retail landscape, BNPL is a valuable tool for businesses looking to thrive. Section 8. The future of shopping. BNPL's reign. BNPL is rapidly transforming the way we shop and manage our finances. Its popularity is only expected to grow in the coming years. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative BNPL solutions. The future of BNPL is bright. It has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. However, it's crucial for consumers to use BNPL responsibly. They need to be aware of the potential risks. By understanding the terms and conditions, setting payment reminders, and budgeting wisely, consumers can reap the benefits of BNPL without falling into a debt trap. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances.